We were selling the van 2 weeks ago because three LED lights had decided to stop working.
Well, you know, it's like when your tyres wear out in the car, you get a new car. Hey. Oh, look, it's come out. Isn't that exciting? Now, what's going to happen next?
I don't know.
Next week, one of the others will blow. Okay, Craig here, Caravans by the Campfire. Just going to show you how to replace some LED lights in these new U-Bit Fandangle vans. All these vans seem to have LED lights, either above the cupboards, below the cupboards, above the bed, in the bathroom. Anyway, this one here, it's got a couple of globes blown. Yep. So what you find in most vans, you need a couple of bits of equipment, right? This is an art knife, cutter, very sharp, and just a little screwdriver. Some vans you'll find there's a plastic cover on the front of these LED lights, right? Some will do half a job and just clip the cover in, have no Celastic or anything. This particular van has a little bit of Celastic or silicone all the way on the top and the bottom. It sits in an aluminium channel. So what we have to do first is just break the seal of that. So I'm going to use this sharp knife. I'm going to run it along the top and along the bottom, and then that piece of plastic cover should just come straight out. Run it all the way along. Yeah. Pretty simple, really. Stick it in there all the way along. You'll feel you're in the silicone. Right, just need to get that out of there. We run it all the way along the bottom, just nice and easily. Yep.
Mess.
Get a bit of mess as you're going.
There it is.
Right, a little bit of mess everywhere, but who cares? Okay, let's have a little look here now. Put this little screwdriver under. Ever so delicately, pull it out. Yeah. Once you get it out here, whoa!
It actually came out.
You will see the LED light strip. That's the culprit. Look at those three mothers. Whoa. The lights are bright now, mate. Okay, let's have a little look at this. Have a little look down here. So that's the top bit. The top bit right there, and that's the bottom bit. So underneath you'll see it's got a nice piece that pushes in over the top. I think you can see that aluminium frame up in there. Not too sure. So what we're going to do now is just pull this strip off. Just pull it off very carefully. It's got some glue on the back of it. So we just pull it off all the way along. Now normally you wouldn't be doing this with the power on. I'm just doing that to show you. Right. You'll see a beautiful nice channel in there. What's going to happen now down here, I don't know, because it disappears in behind there. So we'll just see what happens when we take it all the way off. It might just pop out of there with the wire. yeah, look. See how that keeps coming out?
There's more lights in there. Abracadabra. Oh.
She's cut. It's all or nothing now. So here's the old bit. You're better off, look, this is all the same age. Once they start failing, just chuck them.
Oh, it's not going in the spare parts, are you sure?
No.
Everything goes in the spare parts around here.
Not this. We'll just get rid of it in a responsible fashion. The garbage. This is all set up for a nice electrical connection somewhere down in the cupboard there. But there's no way I'm taking all this apart to shove that down there. Okay.
Well, maybe it's easy though.
What?
Oh.
Easy?
You look at me as if to say, am I speaking Russian or something?
Well, maybe just a little
Maybe
bit.
it is easy. Maybe they've made it to be like quite plug and play. I'm just thinking.
You're thinking, are you?
Yeah.
What are you thinking, mate?
Oh, okay. So now you're saying that I'm thinking and that's dangerous. That's what it's implying.
No, I'm just wondering what you're thinking. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Right. See this wire here?
Yeah.
That is the LED white light strip wire.
Yeah.
So what we can do, if we're careful, oh look, yeah, see here, that pulls on that black wire. Now, this is even better than I thought. Right, we have everything perfect. The challenge is to get this wire down that hole, yeah, in here behind the cupboard and back out to where the light switch is. Yeah, isn't that going to be fascinating? So in theory, what's meant to happen, if we can secure that to that strip, then we can pull it through.
Oh.
You got that?
Yeah, I get that.
We
Like
can
that
pull
wire
it
thing that we
through
did.
from in there.
Yeah.
It's a little challenge though, because that hole is pretty narrow.
Yeah.
We're going to attempt to pull it through there very gently.
Okay.
Anything could happen. But you must be gentle with it. So tape it on and pull it very, very carefully. That's what we're going to do. Very carefully, mate. I have the old Repco insulation tape. If it's any good, I can vouch for it. Right.
It's just tape it was in the back of the car.
Believe me though, this kind of thing, you know, it's a 5-minute job or you'll be here all day.
Well, I hope not, because I'm good all day.
So we ready to go? Take the plunge, mate. So you get the cable in here, pull it through, nice. Nice and gently. Just want to get it going in there a bit easier.
It's in.
I'm getting very excited.
Yeah.
Now, the patient bit. Watch where it's going in.
I'm just watching it go in. I can hear it.
Here we go.
It sounds like a mouse crawling through the wall.
Once you get a nice feed in there. Feed. Oh look, it's come out. Isn't that exciting? Oh, that is so exciting. Yeah. Good, I got to sweat up. Anyway.
You got to sweat up because you were working hard or you were stressed?
No, that is a beautiful job. Isn't it? Listen to me, Raybon. Right, that's very nice. So what we're going to do now...
Tickets on yourself again.
No.
They're flying away on the
What we're
daylight.
going to do now is connect this up, make sure this LED light strip works. Very important. So I'm going to do that. We're just going to pop this light switch out. Yeah. Now, before we do anything else, we just want to make sure the lights work. So we'll just turn the power back on to the van, 12 volt. Beep, beep. Ready?
Yeah.
Anything could happen. Oh my
work.
God. So we're going to just put that light switch back in. Do that. Or you can wait till the end, but please yourself. Clips back on. Now for up here. So where we took the lights out in the first place, we just want to go through and check that it's nice and clean and tidy and there's no stuff in there. We've got little bits of silicone left over on the roof bit, so I'm just going to tidy them up. A little bit of glue left down here, which means one part of the lights will be sticking out further than the other, and you don't want that. Oh, I don't know a bit anal about it. Okay, so I'll just get this done and come back. Okay, so we've got all the silicone out of there now. That aluminium plate is beautiful, so I'm just going to go and get some like that ISO prep stuff. Anything to just wipe it all dry. Make sure there's no gunk on there. The bit down here where there was a bit of glue on the back of the old LED light strip, that's come pretty much all off. You can use terps, anything you like. Right? In fact, I have some terps that they use for water-based paints. Don't know if that can be any good or not. Check this, water-based terps. You're not meant to smell like that. You're meant to go like this.
I thought that was just wine.
There's absolutely no, it's chemicals, so you don't blow your head off.
Okay, fine.
Okay, but this has no smell. I don't know what its performance is going to be like. That little strip up here too has got a few screws, so we'll just go along there and see if those screws are tight. I'm sure they are, but this is something you don't expect to have off again for all works. Sort of. Look at that. That is quite good. That last little bit of glue there. Like, it's not coming. Oh, it is, yeah. It's pretty good. I score this, compared to normal Terps, 7 out of 10. So it does some sort of job. Ready for action? Starting at this end, here we go. All or nothing. This has got the U-Butte 3M tape on the back of this. On top.
Okay. Oh, he's so happy with himself, aren't you?
Well, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
To a degree.
Yep.
Holy shit. Party time. We're going to put this strip back in now. You can walk along pretty easily. Yeah. You just push these in. Look at that. So. Oh,
Oh, the Sydney Cricket Ground's back.
that is good. Check out these lights. They're beautiful. Have a look, see? Nothing wrong here now. Oh, I feel like it's a good one. I tell you what, they all go in quite simply. Just got to take your time and do a nice job. I'm just going to put the finest piece of silicone up here now along the top. In fact, I'm not sure it really needs it at all.
Its concentration is taking place.
Got a lot of concentration taking place for the silicone. Okay, you got to be very careful with this silicone. Okay, and we only want the thinnest bead.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Right, so what you do now, this is interesting. If you have a nice piece of plastic to trim it off with, that's good. However, I'm going to use the finger trick. What you do is you get some silicone spray.
Yeah.
Okay? So we just spray it. Spray the silicone spray along there. Because you know what happens then?
No.
Well,
How would I know what happens?
well, the silicone will now not stick to the areas either side of it, right?
Oh, radio.
So you wet your finger first.
Oh, right, with silicone.
You put it in there. Cool. Pretty good. So we'll come off the roof a bit later. That's good. So Blu-ray's working. Every one of them. Now what's going to happen next?
I don't know.
Next week, one of the others will blow. On the other side. At least we know how to do it.
Well, now you're experienced, you'll be able to go from 4 hours down to 2, maybe.
Experience. I reckon I could do that job again in maybe an hour.
Oh, really?
Hour and a half maybe. That'd be the max. Okay, good. Like and subscribe if you like this little episode. Not a difficult job. So have a go at it. Okay, so now all we've got to do is clean up the mess. That's your job.
No, I don't do that. You did it. You make it. You clean it.
I'm doing it for you, darling.
Oh, excuse me.
Now listen, we get sent dozens of products to review, and I've had a look at them all. I'm not showing you because they're not quite good enough. However, this light from Novesight is a camp light. This Novesight light, right? It is the Ant's Pants. 1500 lumens, right? Check this out. I know it's not dark. Well, you'll show you some dark pictures, but look, she just cranks, mate. 2 types of light colour, and you can even combine them. That's great. Yeah, really sturdy construction, certainly shower-proof. And if you dropped it in the water and pulled it out, it'd still be working. Under the clip, you've also got a magnet. So on the side of your car, bang, straight away, works a treat. You can light up the whole campsite. This has got a little light too that you can have the red light on the night time.
Yeah,
I've used this. There's 4 green lights on the back here, right? I've used this for a week, 7 days, and it's still got 4 green lights. Robust. It's like a cast, and in the top here, USB and USB-C. So you can plug a USB in here and charge your phone. If you want one of these for yourself, you can get 20% off if you use the code Caravans by the Campfire. You'll get yourself a decent discount. But when you want real quality product, this is the way to go. So get yourself into it.